In this video, we're going to take a look at converting an equation from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. So this is an equation in point-slope form. And again, we are going to convert it to slope-intercept or y equals mx plus b form, okay? So the first thing we need to do is consider our order of operations. We have the parentheses here. So we're going to multiply this x plus 4 in the parentheses times the slope of 1/2, all right? So I'm going to rewrite my equation, y minus 3 equals, and then we look at 1/2 times x. Well, we can simply call that 1/2 x. Then we have 1/2 times positive 4. Well, half of 4 is 2, so that's going to become plus 2. Now we're trying to isolate the y so that it is in y equals mx plus b form or slope-intercept form. So to get the y by itself, I'm going to remove this minus 3 by adding 3, or the inverse of subtracting 3 is to add 3. And of course, I'm going to need to add 3 to the other side as well to keep this equation true. So now it says y equals 1/2 x plus 5. And now that equation is in slope-intercept.